Are you looking for the best fog machines? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best fog machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rockville R1200L 7-channel DMX fog/smoke machine. One of the exciting added features of the Rockville R1200L 7-channel DMX fog/smoke machine is its LED lights. These bright LED lights are fixed in the machine. It means that you won't need to have a separate light source for a colored effect. The lights are also customizable with 6 different colors to choose from. You can control these lights in 3 ways. One is to activate them via the beat of the surrounding sound. It can also be activated using the remote control. Lastly, it has a digital multiplex (DMX) control. This control comes in 7 channels. It also allows you to use the lights only or the fog only. It as well allows both the use of the fog and the lights. Rockville's tank capacity is 1.2 L. It has a coverage capacity of 12,000 cubic feet per minute. Such coverage means that it is powerful to fill up large settings and places in a short time. It is solid and well built. Number 2. Bion O00QL0041 wired remote control fog machine. This Bion fog machine is light. It is easy to store, carry, and transport. But even with its compact size, it produces a dense and significant amount of fog. The fog can fill up about 2 rooms at a maximum of 10 feet with a coverage capacity of 2,000 cubic feet per minute. The body is of aluminum material which makes for a better heating process. This fog machine by one store is easy to operate. It is as simple as filling the tank with fog liquid and turning on the device. You can regulate the fog through the remote control. This remote control has a 6.5 feet cord. There is also a meter gauge that lets you know when to refill the fog liquid. You can use this indoors. The one-store fog machine can cover events like weddings, Halloween, and birthday parties. Number 3. Agtech 13 LED Lights Effect and 2000 CFM fog machine. The Agtech fog machine has 500 wattage. It can cover about 2,000 cubic feet per minute. It has a 250 milliliters tank for more prolonged use. The fog also lasts for about 25 seconds. The fog produced is non-toxic and high-powered. It means that the machine does not have toxic gases. The Agtech fog machine comes with 13 RGB LED light effects, which adds to the foggy atmosphere. It is also convenient, even if it is from iron and aluminum elements. But its solid structure ensures that you can use the machine longer. It is also very cost-efficient since it has an energy-saving capability of 20%. It is likewise easy to control and manipulate. It comes with separate remotes for the fog and lights. This way, the user can choose the desired settings for the fog and lights. The Agtech fog machine is perfect for weddings, concerts, family gatherings, and parties. Number 4. JDR DJ LED Portable 2000 CFM fog machine. The JDR fog machine can easily cover 2,000 cubic feet per minute. With a 400 wattage, this fog machine is robust. It takes only around 3 to 4 minutes for it to warm up. After 3 to 4 minutes, the fog machine is ready to use. It can produce a continuous fog of 14 to 30 seconds long. This fog machine comes with both wireless and wired controllers and has controllable LED lights. These lights can be turned off or turned on while the smoke machine is in use. This fog machine also has a preheating lamp. It is sturdy as it is built from aluminum and iron. It is also compact and easy to handle. It has fuse protection to support its warm-up and heating mechanisms. The JDR fog machine is perfect for weddings, Halloweens, and parties. You can also use this fog machine for disinfection. Most importantly, this item comes with a 90-day refund and 180-day replacement. Number 5. Adj Fury 1002 fog machine. The Adj Fury 1002 is a high-tech fog machine. 700 wattages power it. It is sleek, compact, and modern. It comes with wireless controllers. It comes with a unique heating design. It uses the oil-type transmission. This technology prevents the pipeline from clogging. This machine also uses water-based fog fluid only. It ensures that the pipeline does not get clogged. It is a high-performance pump system. Such a system provides that the machine releases 4,000 cubic feet of fog per minute. It has an internal tank measuring a 0.9-liter capacity. One of its unique features is a visible fog fluid level. It ensures that the user is always aware of how much liquid is left. The Adj Fury 1002 fog machine also has an LED heating indicator system. This light changes colors to indicate when the machine is warming up and ready for use. However, the machine needs 4 minutes to warm up before use.